The wig business in Kenya has grown into one of the most profitable beauty businesses. More women and men are buying wigs for fashion, convenience, protective styling, work, weddings, church events, and medical reasons. Social media has also increased the demand because many people want to change their hairstyles without damaging their natural hair. If you understand what customers want and provide quality products with excellent service, a wig business can become a steady source of income. One of the biggest advantages of this business is that you can start small and grow over time. You do not need a large shop in the beginning. Many successful wig sellers started by selling online through social media and delivering orders to customers. Others began from home before opening beauty shops or salons. As your customer base grows, you can expand your stock, employ workers, and even begin making custom wigs. Before investing your money, learn about the different types of wigs available in the Kenyan market. Human hair wigs are the most expensive because they look natural, last longer, and can be styled in different ways. Synthetic wigs are cheaper and attract customers who have a smaller budget. You can also sell braided wigs, lace front wigs, closure wigs, headband wigs, glueless wigs, pixie wigs, curly wigs, straight wigs, and colored wigs. Offering different styles and price ranges helps you attract more customers. Research your target market carefully. Young professionals, university students, brides, working women, beauty lovers, content creators, and salon owners are among the biggest buyers of wigs. Study what is trending on social media and what customers frequently request. Pay attention to popular colors, lengths, textures, and styles. Buying products that customers already want reduces the risk of keeping stock that does not sell. Choose a business model that suits your budget. You can become a reseller by buying ready-made wigs from local wholesalers or importing them from trusted suppliers abroad. You can also learn wig making and create custom wigs for clients. Custom-made wigs usually earn higher profits because customers pay for both the materials and your skills. Another option is dropshipping, where you advertise wigs without keeping stock and order from suppliers after receiving payment from customers. Starting capital depends on the size of your business. A very small home-based business can start with between 20,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings. This amount can buy a few quality wigs, mannequin heads, packaging materials, ring lights for photography, and basic marketing. A medium-sized business may require between 100,000 Kenyan shillings and 300,000 Kenyan shillings to stock more varieties. Opening a beauty shop with a large inventory may require several 100,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the location and stock levels. Finding reliable suppliers is one of the most important parts of the business. Poor quality wigs quickly damage your reputation. Ask for product samples before making large purchases. Compare prices, delivery times, customer reviews, and product quality. Build long-term relationships with suppliers who consistently deliver quality products. Reliable suppliers make it easier to satisfy customers and reduce complaints. If you decide to make wigs yourself, invest in learning the skill. You can attend beauty schools, join professional workshops, or learn from experienced wig makers. Practice until you can produce neat, comfortable, and natural-looking wigs. As your skills improve, you can charge premium prices for custom orders because customers value quality workmanship. Branding helps your business stand out from competitors. Choose a memorable business name, design a professional logo, and create attractive packaging. A strong brand makes customers remember your business and recommend it to others. Include your business name and contact details on shopping bags, boxes, thank you cards, and social media pages. Photography is extremely important in the wig business. Customers buy what they see. Use a good smartphone camera or digital camera to take clear, well-lit photographs. Display wigs from different angles and use real people or mannequin heads where appropriate. Short demonstration videos showing how the wig looks when worn can increase customer confidence and boost sales. Social media should become one of your strongest marketing tools. Create business accounts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp Business. Post consistently and showcase new arrivals, customer reviews, styling tips, maintenance advice, and before and after transformations. Live videos and short clips often receive high engagement because customers can see the quality of the wigs. Selling through online marketplaces can also increase your reach. A simple website or online shop allows customers from different parts of Kenya to place orders. Offer clear product descriptions, multiple photographs, size information, and care instructions. The easier it is for customers to shop, the more likely they are to buy. Excellent customer service builds a loyal customer base. Respond to messages quickly answer questions honestly, and recommend suitable wigs based on customer preferences. Help customers choose the correct color, texture, and cap size. Polite communication and reliable delivery encourage repeat purchases and positive referrals. Pricing should allow you to make a profit while remaining competitive. Calculate all your costs, including buying price, transport, taxes where applicable, packaging, delivery, marketing, and business expenses. Avoid setting prices too low simply to compete with others. Customers are often willing to pay more for genuine quality, excellent service, and reliable after-sales support. Offer several payment options to make buying easier. Mobile money remains the most popular payment method in Kenya, but many customers also appreciate bank transfers and card payments where available. Fast payment methods improve customer convenience and reduce abandoned purchases. Delivery services are another important part of the business. Partner with trusted courier companies that deliver across Kenya. Customers appreciate businesses that package products safely and deliver on time. Inform buyers about delivery charges and expected arrival times before confirming orders. Customer education can also help increase sales. Teach customers how to wash, dry, store, and maintain their wigs properly. Good care allows wigs to last longer, making customers happier with their purchases. Happy customers often become repeat buyers and recommend your business to family and friends. As your business grows, introduce complementary beauty products. You can sell wig caps, hair brushes, wig stands, adhesives, melting bands, edge control, shampoo, conditioner, silk bonnets, hair oils, and styling accessories. Selling additional products increases the value of each customer transaction. Many successful entrepreneurs eventually combine wig sales with salon services. Customers can buy a wig and pay for installation, styling, coloring, washing, or maintenance during the same visit. This creates multiple income streams from one customer and increases overall profitability. Keep proper financial records from the first day. Record every sale, purchase, expense, and profit. Separating business money from personal money helps you understand whether your business is growing. Good financial management also makes it easier to expand or apply for business financing in the future. If you plan to operate from a physical location, ensure your business complies with the necessary registration and county licensing requirements before opening to the public. Registering your business and obtaining the appropriate permits helps you operate legally and builds customer confidence. The wig industry changes quickly, so continue learning about new products, customer preferences, and beauty trends. Attend beauty exhibitions, watch professional demonstrations, network with salon owners, and listen carefully to customer feedback. Businesses that adapt to changing fashion trends usually remain competitive for many years. Starting a wig business in Kenya is an exciting opportunity for anyone interested in beauty and entrepreneurship. With quality products, honest customer service, effective marketing, careful financial management, and a willingness to learn continuously, you can build a profitable business that serves customers across the country. Whether you begin with only a few wigs from home or open a fully stocked beauty shop, consistency, professionalism, and customer satisfaction will be the foundation of your long-term success.